What if tonight you could change your entire life by the way you think before you sleep? Most people try to manifest during the day, but the real power happens at night. Right before you sleep, your mind enters a state where your subconscious becomes wide open. This is where your reality is created. And if you use this moment correctly, you can start manifesting anything you want. Here's what you need to do. Before you go to sleep tonight, clear your mind. Turn off distractions. No phone, no noise. Then close your eyes and imagine your dream life. Not as a wish, but as if it's already real. Feel it. Feel the money in your bank account. Feel the success, feel the happiness, because your subconscious doesn't know the difference between imagination and reality. And whatever you feel deeply, it starts to accept as truth. Now here's the secret most people ignore. You must remove doubt. If you go to sleep thinking this won't work, you cancel everything. But if you believe, even a little, you activate something powerful. Your mind starts working overnight. Your energy shifts. Your actions change the next day. And slowly, your reality follows. This is how manifestation really works. It's not magic, it's alignment. And if you truly want to reprogram your mind faster, check the link in the description right now. This can completely change your life. Tonight, don't just sleep. Create your future.